Had to get away from it a little bit today. We have a lot of construction going on at our house, and I guess today it kind of got to me a little bit. It's one of those days where life goes sideways quickly. One of those days where I realized the damage to my brain from the accident. One of those days where it's just painful. Just painful to look at who I've become, my limits, those things that have caused a change in me. So I figured I'd come out this morning before I head to therapy and actually seek God a little bit today and find out what He's trying to teach me, what He's trying to say, why I'm feeling this way. There's so many different things when you go through changes in your life that can either make you the new person and help you become someone that God's called you to be, or to run the other way. Choice is ours, isn't it? So I'm thinking today that I need to rely more on Him and less on me. I need to let go and let God. I need to not focus on all the things that are going on around me and concentrate on some of those things that are going on inside of me. That's the things that I need to do today to become stronger, to become more grounded in God, my faith, and those things that make me who I am. So the question becomes, what do I do with this? What do I do with these changes? What do I do with my faith? What do I do with my trust? How do I overcome this? How do you overcome that? How do you overcome things when they drastically change your life? Do you run to Him or do you run away from Him? You know, this morning I just knew in my heart that I had to get out of the situation I was in and come down and take a look at God's creation and all that He's given. And it's just amazing to see what He's done in my life thus far. You know, we're kind of taking a walk along the pathway here by the water today, kind of checking things out, kind of admiring the beauty. It's a cool morning here in Bay City. Wind's up a little bit on the cool side, and yet here we are out enjoying another day from Him. There's lots of people out today. Maybe there's people out getting away from it. Maybe there's people out just trying to deal with life themselves. Who knows? Who knows what's going on in people's lives today? As we're taking a walk here, down alongside the bleachers, getting ready to celebrate the big 350 in Bay City. Not sure what that's all about. I'm going to have to do some research on that and find out what that signifies here in Bay City. We're down by Betts Park this morning and just enjoying the day. You know, sometimes we're called to be still. Sometimes we're called just to let go of our day, let God have it. Wouldn't it be so much easier if we could do that every single day in our lives? Where we could just get up in the morning and just give it to Him. Leave it at His feet. That would be awesome, huh? Just a day directed by God, joining His story, and being used by Him. Something to think about today as you begin your day, or if you're watching this in the middle of the day as you're ending your day, or maybe you're up in the middle of the night because you can't sleep. I wonder why. You must have too much on your heart. If you're watching me in the wee hours of the morning tonight, what are you doing?
shut this YouTube video off, get on your knees, and ask God to help you. He'll meet you there, I promise. So today for me is a morning of therapy, and then go work on my book a little bit today. You know, I'm going through chapter 3 in my book, A Discovery and Finding Out Who I Am. Since my accident, it's bringing up a lot of emotions. It's bringing up some pain. It's bringing up some deep things in my heart that need to be dealt with. But yet, God is also helping me deal with those things. He'll help you today too. Maybe ask yourself today, who am I? Why am I like I am? What makes me a man? What makes me a woman? Is it what I do for a living? It's not. What you do for a living is your occupation. It really doesn't define who you are. What defines who you are is what you believe in, how you treat others. How are you treating others today? You know, if you're grounded in Christ, you're free. You're absolutely free. He's given you the tools. He's given you the ability to do it all through Him. Without Him, what's the point? With Him, lots of points. So as you're walking with me through Vets Park, enjoying our day, ask yourself this one question. If I were to leave this world today or tomorrow, what impact would I have made in this world? In the eyes of your children, your grandchildren, your spouse, everyone that knew you. What would they say when they mention your name? Something to think about today. I'm thinking about it. I'm sorry if I seem distracted today, but I'm human. Things are on my heart. I'm going to let God deal with those things today, one at a time. So I appreciate your support of my videos. I appreciate your support of my YouTube channel, Getting to Know God. It's a place for us together to be real, to learn more about Him, to share the ups, the downs, and to grow in our faith, and to grow in knowledge of Him. So if you enjoyed this video, please like it. If you have a comment, please leave one. I welcome you to the family. And may God bless your day. And I'll give you a little parting view of the area here down by the water, and we'll get together soon.